friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious tofu shrimp cake recipe. Hope you like it. This tofu shrimp cake is tender and soft, very delicious. If you like crispy food, you can deep fry it or cook it for a little longer. Just adjust it according to your favorite taste. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Shrimps. Soft tofu. Carrot. Egg. Wash shrimps and remove shell and intestine. One teaspoon Shaoxing wine, marinate shrimps. Mix well and set aside. Chopped shrimps into paste. Diced and chopped shrimp. Or you may flatted shrimp with knife then fine chopped. Shrimp paste set aside. Peel and diced carrot. Cover baking tray with aluminum foil. Place shrimps and carrot diced into bowl. Add 1 egg. Add 1 box soft tofu. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons flour. If you don't add flour, it's too thin and not easy to shape. Mix all ingredients together. Drizzle cooking oil on baking tray. Spread tofu shrimp paste on baking tray. Send to oven roast at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the surface is formed. Remove from oven. The bottom is still soft, but it is cooked. If you like this texture, you can eat it now. A closer look. Cut into square pieces. Be careful, it's hot. Flip egg shrimp cake. Roast at 200 degrees for approximately 10 minutes.
Buddy is attracted by the shrimp fragrance, haha.
Look at that. Wow! Egg tofu cake is done. Smells so good. Time to eat. The shape of the shrimp cakes can be cut according to personal preference, or they can be made thicker and then cut into shrimp cubes. It is delicious to eat with chili sauce, and it can also be eaten as a side dish or afternoon tea snack. Isn't it great? Tofu is rich in protein, and it is high-quality protein that is easily digested and absorbed by the human body. Its high amino acid and protein content makes it a complementary food to grains. The biological value of soybean protein is comparable to that of fish, and it is the best among plant proteins. Soy protein is a complete protein with a good amino acid composition, and it contains almost all the amino acids necessary for the human body. Milk substitute. The nutritional value of tofu is similar to that of milk. For people who cannot drink milk due to lactose intolerance, or who do not eat meat and poultry in order to control chronic diseases, tofu is the best substitute. Tofu is the guardian angel of menopause, effectively prevent the occurrence of osteoporosis, breast cancer, and prostate. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.